Good morning class. Today I want to describe about Introduction to Euclid's Geometry for class 9. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly I want to describe about axiom and postulates. There are 7 axioms and 5 postulates. You can ask question to me what is axiom and what is postulates because it is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Axiom or postulates are assumptions which are universal truth. They are not proved. Axioms are used for algebra and postulates are used for geometry. It is clear, no confusion about it. Postulates are used for geometry and axioms are used for algebra. Clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. You can learn very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the board. Introduction to Euclid's Geometry for class 9th. Euclid's postulate. Euclid's postulate. First, a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any another point. It means you can draw a straight line from any one point to any another point. First point is A and second point is B. It means you can draw a straight line through A to B. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Next point. Axiom. Given two distinct points, there is unique line that passes through them. Two distinct points are A and B. Two distinct points are A and B, and unique line A to B. Unique line A to B is unique line. Clear? Which passes through till infinite on both sides. Here left side and here right side. It means unique line AB can passes through on both sides, left side and right side till infinite. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Next point. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. AB is terminated line. You can produce line AB on both sides, left side and right side till infinite. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It means a line segment can be extended on either side to from line. Here AB is two distinct point. Line AB you can produce line AB on both sides, left side and right side, till infinite. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next point. A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Here, it is a circle. O is center. A is point on radius. Point on circumference. Clear? You can draw any circle from any center and any radius. It means you can take the measurement of radius, any measurement of radius, and you can draw a circle. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next point. All right angles are equal to one another. All right angles are equal to one another. Right angle means angle of 90 degree. Right angle means angle of 90 degree. Here AB is a line, CO is perpendicular on AB. Here angle 1 is 90 degree. Here XY is a straight line, OZ is perpendicular line. Angle 2 is 90 degree. It means angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to 90 degree. It means both are equal. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Next. If a straight line falling on two straight lines, if a straight line falling on two straight lines makes the interior angle on the same side of it, take together less than two right angles. It means here, see the figure. PQ is a straight line, AB is straight line, CD is straight line. It is clear? AB and CD is two straight line, and PQ is a straight line which is falling on AB and CD. It makes interior angle this side, angle 1, angle 2. According to rule, the sum of angle 1 and angle 2 is less than 180 degree. Here, angle 1 plus angle 2 less than 180 degree. It is clear? Here, line AB and line CD are not parallel, and PQ is intersecting line. Hence, angle 1 plus angle 2 not equal to 180 degree. Not equal to 180 degree. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Note, two distinct lines cannot have more than one point in common. Not more than one point is common. It is clear? Or two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line according to this rule. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is very easy. You can learn all rules very easily. My words is clear? No confusion about it? It is clear? Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.